Wow, here we are again. Yeah, look, that's the last thing I did. Took the engine away. It's gone. And what else did I do? Wow, I forget. It was only a few days ago. Yeah, I took the engine back to Allied Automotive Engineering, and I did another little job that day. Anyway, so this engine stand is here waiting for me. I was just tightening up and checking the tightness of bolts on the back of the vehicle, and I noticed I was missing a mud flap, and I always wondered, can we improve the look of these with a flame? And yes, we can. Give it a good posting, I guess. I wonder how long it will last though. I think I need to do it till there's a nice shine on there, right? It needs to be shiny. Basically what we're doing is over time the sun shines on it, and the weather and the rain, and it oxidizes it. It starts to break down. So you get like a porous, powdery surface. And what the flame does, it reactivates it, melts the surface, burns and melts any plastic that's left, and sticks it back to the plastic, making it look nice again. Then I started thinking, well, if that works, where have I got one? Why would that not work on a headlight? Look at it. Yeah, look. Lovely. A test subject. No Jeeps were harmed in the making of this. First, I'll give it a clean. You don't want any impurities on there. So, nice new rag. Let me put on the head cam. There you go. I think one more time. This stuff evaporates quick. Yeah, why wouldn't it work for a headlight? Let's give it a go. Oh no. I think so. Maybe. It is, you know. Although I did burn it there. I did burn it there. It does work. It 100% works. It 100% does work. Probably not as good as I wanted to, although let's go over it a few times. Yeah, definitely don't burn it, but that is a big improvement. So you can burn headlights too. You just have to be very careful. Look at that. Reactivating the plastic. So that answers the question I've been asking myself for a while now. Look at that. Man, it's not beautiful or perfect. It looks better. It does look better, eh? Oh! Yeah. Whew, hot. So, yes, it seems you can. Just don't stay in one spot too long. Just don't stay in one spot too long. Okay? Let's try it on a live subject. Oh yeah, this one first. Beautiful. Look at these. Now I can compare a good one to a bad one. I was planning to replace these anyway, so. Whoo, so quick. Wow, that'll be. That looks a bit better for now. I like that. Maybe a lower setting. Yeah, that makes more sense. Woo! Look at that, a lower setting. Like I said, they're far from perfect, but they look better. Okay, let's put the other mud flap on the other side, and Bob's your uncle. I heard someone say, oh, Bob's your pussy. Alright, yeah, look at that. Hey, learned something new every day. I've never seen anybody do it, but there you go. Yes, you can improve your headlights with a blowtorch. Just a short and sweet clip. That's all I'm doing today. Tomorrow I'm bringing the red Jeep, the project Jeep, inside. Big day. Because the daily has had enough work done to it. So just going to go and fit up this refurbished mud flap. Because here in Australia you can have no mud flaps, or you can have mud flaps, but you cannot have one mud flap. If you have one on one side, you have to have one on the other side. You can get a yellow sticker for having one mud flap, but you don't get a yellow sticker for having no mud flaps. A yellow sticker here is a no defect notice, so there you go. Anyway, over and out, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I hope so. Don't forget to click on the links. Thank you for watching.